Yeah, we'll sand before any aircraft come in.
Yeah.
They're pushing it with the broom also. Yeah, no, the brooms are cool.
Yeah, that gets it down to the pavement.
We never use the brooms. I want to just actually try looking at the area. Yeah, let's just
Go that way.
Who's the foreman?
We have a couple on the ramp.